Hey, kids! I am Pink Bob, your best friend. Come and have fun with me.
Friends, are you ready to explore all the colorful animals? We have animals in every color you can imagine. Here comes our first color. Here comes the black color. Let's see the animals in black color.
Hi, I'm a black ant. My black body is small and strong. Ants carry food back to our home.
Hello, I'm a black bear. My black fur keeps me warm. I eat berries and fish in the wild. Hello, I'm a black buffalo. My black skin is strong and tough. Buffaloes cool themselves in mud on hot days.
Ew! I'm a black cat. My black fur is smooth and shiny. Cats move quietly and love to pounce.
Hello, I am a crow. My black feathers help me blend into the trees. Crows are very intelligent birds. I am an ostrich. My feathers are black. I run very fast.
Hello, I am a black panther. My black fur helps me hide in the jungle. I move quietly and hunt. I am a rhino beetle. My shell is black. I am very strong.
I am a spider. My body is black. I build strong webs.
I am a wolf. My fur is black. Wolves howl to talk.
Here comes the blue color. Let's see the animals in blue color.
Hi, I'm a blue butterfly. See my blue wings? Blue is everywhere.
Hi, I'm a blue crab. See my blue claws? I can walk sideways, and I'm blue.
Hi, I'm a blue dragonfly. See my blue wings? I'm blue and I love to fly. Blue is my color.
Hi, I'm a blue frog. I love to hop. I eat insects.
Hi, I'm a blue macaw. See my blue feathers? I love to fly. Hi, I'm a blue peacock. See my blue feathers? I love to dance. Blue is my color.
Hi, I'm a blue pigeon. See my blue feathers? I love to fly. Blue is my color.
Here comes the brown color. Let's see the animals in brown color.
Hi, I'm a bear. My fur is brown. I eat berries and fruits.
Hi, I'm a beaver. My fur is brown. I chew wood to build my home.
Hi, I'm a camel. My fur is brown. I drink water to stay cool in the desert.
Hi, I'm a deer. My fur is brown. I eat grass to stay healthy.
Hi, I'm a dog. My fur is brown. I love to run and play.
Hi, I'm a donkey. My fur is brown. I can lift heavy loads.
Hi, I'm an eagle. My feathers are brown. I love to soar high in the sky.
Hi, I'm a hedgehog. I have spiky fur to stay safe. I protect myself from predators.
Hi, I'm a horse. My fur is brown. I eat grass to stay strong.
Hi, I'm a kangaroo. My fur is brown. I love to hop.
Hi, I'm a kiwi bird. My feathers are brown. I love to peck and find insects.
Hi, I'm a llama. My fur is brown. I love to graze in the meadow.
Hi, I'm a monkey. My fur is brown. I love to swing and eat fruits.
Hi, I'm an owl. My feathers are brown. I hunt at night and catch small animals. Hi, I'm a sloth. My fur is brown. I love to hang and eat leaves slowly.
Hi, I'm a snail. My shell is brown. I love to crawl slowly. Hi, I'm a sparrow. My feathers are brown. I love to hop and peck for food. Hi, I'm a squirrel. My fur is brown. I eat nuts to stay strong.
Hi, I'm a walrus. My fur is brown. I love to swim and slide on ice.
Hi, I'm a yak. My fur is brown. I love to graze in the mountains.
Here comes the green color. Let's see the animals in green color. Hi, I'm a caterpillar. I am green. I eat leaves to grow.
Hi, I'm a chameleon. I am green. I eat insects.
Hi, I'm a crocodile. My skin is green. I live in rivers and swim.
Hi, I'm a green frog. My skin is green. I eat insects.
Hi, I'm a grasshopper. I am green. I hop and eat grass.
Hi, I'm an iguana. I am green. I eat leaves. Hi, I'm a mantis. I am green. I catch insects to eat. Hi, I'm a green parrot. My feathers are green. I eat fruits and nuts.
Hi, I'm a green snake. My skin is green. I slither to move around.
Hi, I'm a green turtle. My shell is green. I swim and eat plants. Here comes the gray color. Let's see the animals in gray color. Hi, I'm a bat. My fur is gray. I fly to catch insects.
Hi, I'm an elephant. My skin is gray. I love swimming in rivers.
Hi, I'm a hamster. My fur is gray. I eat nuts and seeds. Hi, I'm a koala. My fur is gray. I love eucalyptus leaves. Hi, I'm a mouse. My fur is gray. I eat grains and seeds.
Hi, I'm a rhino. My skin is gray. I use my tusk to explore.
Here comes the orange color. Let's see the animals in orange color.
Hi, I'm an orange clownfish. See my orange color? I love to swim.
Hi, I'm an orange fox. See my orange fur? I love to run.
Hi, I'm an orange hamster. See my orange fur? I love to nibble.
Hi, I'm an orange lobster. See my orange shell? I love to snap and munch.
Hi, I'm an orange octopus. See my orange body? I love to wiggle. Hi, I'm an orange squirrel. See my orange fur? I love to crunch nuts. Hi, I'm an orange tiger. See my orange fur? I love to explore the jungle. Here comes the pink color. Let's see the animals in pink color. Hi, I'm a pink butterfly. See my pink wings? I love flowers. Hi, I'm a pink dolphin. See my pink color? I love to swim and splash.
Hi, I'm a pink flamingo. I love fish. Hi, I'm a pink pig. I love corn. I love playing in mud.
Hi, I'm a pink salamander. Look at my pink color. I love swimming in the lake.
Hi, I'm a pink starfish. See my pink color? I love the ocean.
Here comes the red color. Let's see the animals in red color. Hi, I'm a red ant. My body is red. I love to crawl and carry tiny food.
Hi, I'm a red fox. My fur is red. I love to run, hop, and explore. Hi, I'm an ibis. My feathers are red. I love to wade and catch food with my beak.
Hi, I'm a ladybug. My body is red with black spots. I love to crawl and fly on leaves. Hi, I'm a red panda. My fur is red and brown. I love to climb and eat bamboo.
Hi, I'm a parrot. My feathers are red. I love to flap, perch, and eat fruits. Hi, I'm a cardinal. My feathers are red. I love to hop and eat seeds. Hi, I'm a rooster. My feathers are red. I love to strut, crow, and scratch the ground.
Hi, I'm a milk snake. My body is red with black and white stripes. I love to slither and explore safely.
Hi, I'm a woodpecker. My head is red. I peck wood with my sharp beak to find insects. Here comes the white color. Let's see the animals in white color.
Hi, I'm a white chicken. My white feathers keep me warm. I peck seeds and insects on the farm.
Hi, I'm a white cockatoo. My white feathers and crest make me special. I use my strong beak to crack nuts and seeds.
Hi, I'm a white cow. I have white fur with black spots. I eat grass and chew it slowly.
Hi, I'm a white duck. My white feathers help me float on water. I find plants and small insects in the pond.
Hi, I'm a white Arctic fox. My white fur keeps me warm in the cold. I hunt my prey under the snow.
Hi, I'm a white llama. My white wool keeps me warm in the mountains. I live in the mountains and eat grass every day.
Hi, I'm a white polar bear. Look at my white fur. I love playing in the snow. Hi, I'm a white rabbit. Look at my white fur. I love hopping in the snow.
Hi, I'm a white seagull. I catch fish from the sea. I love eating fresh fish. Hi, I'm a white sheep. My white wool keeps me warm. I eat grass all day.
Hi, I'm a white swan. Look at my white feathers. I love swimming on the lake.
Here comes the yellow color. Let's see the animals in yellow color. Hi, I'm a butterfly. My wings are yellow. I love to flutter and sip nectar. Hi, I'm a canary. My feathers are yellow. I love to sing and peck for seeds.
Hi, I'm a cheetah. My fur is yellow with black spots. I love to run super fast.
Hi, I'm a duck. My feathers are yellow. I love to swim and quack. Hi, I'm a giraffe. My fur is yellow with brown patches. I love to eat leaves from tall trees. Hi, I'm a goldfish. My body is yellow. I love to swim and nibble plants. Hi, I'm a honeybee. My body is yellow and black. I love to fly and collect nectar. Hi, I'm a lion. My fur is yellow. I love to roar and explore the savannah. Hi, I'm a seahorse. My body is yellow. I love to float and eat tiny plankton.
Hi, I'm a viper snake. My scales are yellow. I love to slither and coil safely.
Hi, I'm a wasp. My body is yellow with black stripes. I love to fly and collect nectar.
Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos.